Hi guys, welcome to the video. I'm Ryan Chai. So in this video, we are going to discuss one of the relief measures taken by our bank, the government Malaysia, which is the Deferment Package or called Moratorium. There is so many confusing and rumors out there discussing about this package. So in this video, we discuss whether or not we should take this relief package. So what is this moratorium actually is? From next month, April, until September, which is a 6-month period, you don't need to pay any cent to your mortgage loan automatically. They can't charge us penalty, they can't charge us late payment interest, but there is some things that we need to take note of. Whether the interest of the loan will be accrued. The answer is yes. The calculation is different from banks to banks. So for more details, you need to consult with your bankers. If my property is under construction and I'm now paying for the progressive interest, do I enjoy this deferment package? The answer is no. Okay, but from bank to bank, it will be different. For example, my bank, they do provide this deferment package for those who are still servicing their progressive interest. So for more details, you need to consult with your respective bank who qualified for this package. For all mortgage borrowers, if you have an active loan account in the banks, you are automatically joined into this program. However, if your loan had not been paying for more than 90 days, you will not include in this program. So might immediately repay all your outstanding balance. Some of you might ask, 6 months, it may not be sufficient for me to overcome this financial constraint. So can I request more than 6 months? Yes, but depends the bank. This you need to write into the bank for a further approval. If I wish to opt out from this deferment package, can I do so? The answer is yes. You can do so with 2 steps. The first step is that you need to email and call to the branch. And the second thing is that you need to make the full payment to the bank timely. If my loan has been go through this rescheduling or restructuring, what we call R&R, yes, you are still qualified for this deferment package. Welcome to our very last question of this video today, is that whether we should take this deferment package or we shouldn't take this deferment package. To answer this question, we need to understand how the interest that accrue will affect our final payment. Alright, so let me give you an example. I have a very fresh property loan whereby I need to pay 2,000 installment every month. Part of the money will go to principal account. Some will pay for the interest. So, although I do not need to pay any during this 6 months period, how the interest part add back into my loan account. In this case, for my loan is very fresh. So the biggest part of the 2,000 will actually go to my interest. Let's say 70% of it is a standard that we use. So out of 2,000, 70% is 1,400. So 1,400 times 6 months, it will be 8,400 ringgit. So this 8,400 will add into my account. Okay, the balance of my loan will be increased. So I either pay a longer term or every month I pay more. This is different from banks to bank. So meaning to say, I still need to pay this extra 8,400, although I do not need to pay every month 2,000. So in summary, my advice is that if you're facing the cash flow problem, you definitely need to go into this deferment package. However, if you have the money, you continue to pay for the installment. Let's say I'm facing cash flow problem, I'm unable to pay for this 2,000 every month, but I still worry about this 8,400. You can actually find some money from other source with a lower cost of interest. For example, right now government give us a package whereby we can take money out from our account too, 500 every month. Should you take that? Yeah, for me, you should take that because EPF only give us the return about 5 to 7% in average every year. So if you are saving the 10,000, 1 year you only earn about few hundred ringgit from your EPF account. So why don't you take it out and save your 8,400 interest extra payment? All right. So the second thing is that borrow the money from your insurance. This you might want to consult with your insurance agent, because most of the insurance company, they offer package whereby you can loan from your insurance. The interest is quite low, about 2% per annum. So you might want to consider about this. I hope this video helped to answer most of your questions about this deferment package, and now you have more information for you to make the decision whether or not to take this deferment package. So share this video out so that more and more people and Malaysians know about the actual scenario and the mechanism of this deferment package. And thanks our Malaysia government for helping us in this very difficult period. So if you have any further question, welcome to email us, text us, PM us, and I see you in the next video.